Hey, I want to say thanks to the Fifine technology for sending us this microphone. To avoid being disrespectful, we can't just leave it in a box, so let's do some unboxing. This is actually the second microphone I'm reviewing from Fifine technology, but compared to that microphone, this one is cheaper. On AliExpress it costs around $18. I think most of you are not interested in unboxing. That's why I'll use this microphone for commentary, occasionally switching to Audio Technica AT2020, so you can easily compare the sound quality. So, let's begin. So, this is the box itself. Box is small and pretty simple. On the front you can see the name of this product. On the side, contact information. Then how many colors are available. And of course illustrations of microphone on all sides, all in different colors. Let's open it up. Small foam piece and a foam filter, very nice. In the small box we can find a business card or maybe a help card. And of course a user's guide. Once again, user's guide is small and filled only with important information. For example, microphone specifications, how to set it up, how to use it properly and more. Also almost everything is illustrated, nice! And let's not forget about the microphone itself. Indeed, it's a pretty small and has a bendable gooseneck, or how is it called? USB end has a plastic cover to cover it from the dust, very good. Let me unwrap the USB cable. If AliExpress page doesn't lie, then cable is 2 meters long. And here's how microphone looks in its ready-to-use state. Summary: I was pretty surprised. At first I thought that this small microphone, especially for its price, will sound pretty bad, but I was wrong. It sounds very good for its price, only thing is that you have to talk either pretty loudly or talk close to it to get the best quality. It also bends in all directions and is easy to carry around. For example, if you want to travel somewhere but stay in touch with your Discord friends, then this microphone will easily fit in any bag and your friends will hear you clearly. Thanks for watching! If you're interested, I also made an unboxing and test video for another Fifine technology microphone. Feel free to check it out. Also, if you can, leave a like and subscribe so we can meet in other technology and review videos. For now, adios.